Go.
Don't let him stomp on poop.
That's not a divot.
No, we gotta get down by the goals. Come on.
Come on, let's get down by the goal, bro.
No,
That's not a divot.
that's poop.
Ooh, don't put your...
Ooh, stinky.
There's your divot.
Here, let him stomp on it. Right here. Show Daddy's got one. Daddy. He stomped.
These guys aren't really playing. How are they going to make a divot when they're not really hitting the ball?
Where? Show him where it is, Brian. Jax, back here. Move, Brian, move. Aw.
Here, stomp it down again,
There.
Jax.
Daddy ruined it. Say bye.
Step back. Oh.